The class. I am Bhuvanashri and today we'll be learning about Microsoft Word. In order to launch it, just click on the Start button, go to All Programs, then click on Microsoft Office. From the drop down, select MS Word 2007. Changing font in MS Word can be done by select the text and from the ribbon find the font field. Then there you can click on the font and find number of options. Click on it and preview, then select it. Changing the size can be done similarly, but you need to just click on the size and just select it. The size gets updated. Paragraph formatting is very essential in order to align it in a proper way. It can be done by in the ribbon. In the format bar, we will have the set of alignments here. By clicking on it, it can be done. To insert a bulleted list, all we have to do is select the text, then click the bulleted or the number list that is on the formatting toolbar, and it gets updated. Like we get the bulleted or the numbered format of the text. In order to change its formatting, we need to just select the bulleted or numbered list. Again, go to the formatting bar and click on the displayed options of the bullets of the number. Its thing will be getting changed. Using a tab is very essential as we will be able to get the text in flow of the directions we require. Left alignment lets to flow the text in right direction, while right allows it to flow in the left direction. Centers allow the flowing of the text in center. Decimal alignments aligns it on the decimal point, while the bar inserts a vertical line at the tab, stopping the setting tabs under the ruler. Creating table can be done by click on this insert. There we find the table option. Click on it and we get this number of rows and columns. Just click on it and give OK. The table gets created. In order to add text into it, just place the cursor in the cell you want to add the text. Then click on it. A cursor appears. Start typing your text. Then if you want to move to the next cell, click on the tab option or the tab key in your keyboard. The cursor moves to the next cell. Deleting rows and columns can be done by click the rows or columns you want to delete. Then click the layout from the ribbon tab. Then select the delete menu. The cells are getting deleted now. In order to add it, just click on the row or column to which side you want to add the extra rows or column. Click on the row option if you want to add for row, and click on the column option if you want to add for the column. Then select an option from the drop down. The extra thing will be added. Adding clip art can be done by click on the insert option. Then we find an option called as clip art. Click on it and a dialog box appears. Just select the clip art you need. Then the addition of text flow around a graphic can be done by clicking the graphic from the ribbon tab. Then select the format. Then select the text wrapping and select the relative position you are looking for. Then inserting header and footer. Click on the insert tab from the ribbon. Then there we find an option called header or footer. Click on which you need. Then it's get added. Page orientation can be done by selecting the page layout from the ribbon tab. There we are going to click orientation. There we find two types of orientation, that is portrait and another one is landscape. Errors can be modified by placing the cursor over the text that we want to correct. Right click the mouse, a list of suggestions appear. Choose the correct word and then left click. It gets updated. Printing can be done by once we are completed with the document, just go to the home tab, to the office tab or to the file option. Then we get an option called print. Just click on it. We get this dialog box. Just specify and change the print settings if needed, or else you can give OK. The documents get printed. In order to search a text, go to the home tab, click on the drop down menu associated with find option. There we should click advanced find option, where we get this dialog box called find and replace. Select the options we want to apply, then search for the text we are looking for. Adding effects to the word art can be done by select that word to which effect is to be added. Click on word art from the insert option in the ribbon. Then a pop-up appears that will ask us to select the design. Then just select the design. If we are to change the orientation or the size or its style, we can do it by coming to the home tab and clicking the font options. Click OK. The effects get added. That's all for today's class, students. We learned a lot about the options we use in Microsoft Word. Hope to meet you soon. Thank you.